Hello, boys and girls. I'm Looney Bird, your winged wonder of song and dance. And it's my pleasure to introduce you now to Dook the dog. Dook, what do you say when you're trying to convince somebody you're telling the truth?
I swear by the moon and the stars in the sky. I swear like the shadow that's by your side.
That's pretty convincing, Dook. Pretty convincing. Let's hear it for Dook, everybody.
I see the questions in your eyes. I know what's weighing on your mind. You can be sure I know my part, 'cause I stand beside you through the years. You'll only cry those happy tears. And though I'll make mistakes, I'll never break your heart. I swear by the moon and the stars in the skies, I'll be there. I swear like the shadow that's by your side, I'll be there. For better or worse, till death do us part. I'll love you with every beat of my heart. I swear. I'll give you everything that I can. I'll build your dreams with these two hands. We'll hang some memories on the wall. And when there's silver in your hand, you won't have to ask if I still care. 'Cause as time turns the page, my love won't age at all. I swear by the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there. I swear like the shadow that's by your side, I'll be there. For better or worse, till death do us part. I'll love you with every beat of my heart. I swear by the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there. I'll be there. And I swear like the shadow that's by your side, I'll be there. For better or worse, till death do us part. I'll love you with every beat of my heart. I swear.
Pretty darn good. Pretty good, Duke.